I want to introduce you to two products that one is a mainstay of our company. It's been with our company for many, many years, and that's the Puma. We call it Puma AE. We have the Puma LE, which is long endurance. AE means all environment. And we have the VTOL, which is a VTOL kit you put on the Puma. Why do I want to talk about Puma? Puma is probably one of the most, if not the most, sold Group 1 UAV around the world. It's used by all services, many different governments, many different agencies within those governments. Why? It is robust, it is strong, you can land it in the water, you can land it on cement, it flies day or night, outstanding cameras, really good communications, and there's a reason why so many countries around the world operate the Puma.
So I'm going to talk about the other part of the AV company, which is our counter-UAS capabilities. As part of the layered defense, we utilize a couple of capabilities that are widely used by the U.S. military, U.S. Secret Service, U.S. Homeland Security. That's the Titans, which is an RF sensor jammer that works as part of our layered defense against counter-UAS. And then the Locust laser weapon system, which is really kind of the last red line in terms of protecting critical assets and important, valuable, critical, high-value terms.
Everything here at our booth, at our exhibit, everything we display are operational systems with our partners, allied nations, and our own country here at the show. These are not just models. These are not just simple, concepts and things like that. These are operational systems here. So people look to AV to help them with very difficult security challenges. That's what we do, and that's what we love doing.